Yeah, that'll have to do. How's it going, guys? Welcome to this totally normal video. Yeah, I don't have a studio right now, but we're in the current studio. This is going to be a good temp studio. Yeah. It's like a fucking fishbowl. People are staring at me. Cool. If you do hear a little bit of a whir in the background, that's the fan because it is hot as balls and I don't want to cook. So let's get into it. I got a sweet little package from GFuel a while back, and it is the new GFuel protein and energy line. I've been pretty excited about this since I heard about it a few months ago. Actually getting to try it, especially with some old flavors coming back, has been pretty awesome. Yeah, guys, so this video is going to be short and sweet, and I'm not going to waste all of your time. GFuel's coming out with a protein and energy line, bringing back some pretty awesome flavors that I know people have been asking for a really long time. French vanilla iced coffee, then there's cafe mocha, and chocolate. So in the package, I got a nice little card thing. Shows all this art. It shows a cool bag art. These don't come in tubs like normal GFuel does. They come in bags, probably because it's probably going to be a ton more per scoop. That is why. So on the back, it does say this cool little note. If you want to pause to read it, I don't care, but I'll read it. Unlock your full potential with the ultimate 2-in-1 performance formula. Only GFuel can combine its signature energy formula with the power of protein to create a true performance game changer. GFuel Energy plus Protein Formula. This delicious 2-in-1 formula blends tantalizing flavor with 140 milligrams of invigorating, mood-enhancing caffeine and 15 milligrams of metabolism-boosting whey protein to help keep you energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. It says perfect for breakfast, pre-post workout, or snack. So it does contain whey, which is, so if you're allergic to milk, be aware of that. This is kind of a meal replacer. It's not going to have 10 calories per serving. I think this is an early sample. I have no nutrition label to read, but it has calories. So take this as it's a protein drink. It's not a 0 calorie or even 5-10 calorie drink. What was I saying? So I gotta make this video fast because of the sun and overheating the camera. So let's get right into it. This is the box I got early. It was an early box, so it does say like not for resale and doesn't have all the information. Read that if you want. Pause the video. But it says mixing directions. 1 pack plus water or milk. Shake well. Protein energy. That simple. Mix with 2 cups of water, best if blended or mixed in a shaker cup. I highly recommend that. This is not like normal GFuel where you can shake it up for 5 seconds and it's great. No, you have to actually like try shaking this because you will get clumps. It's just, that's how protein works. Mix it with milk, 2 cups or 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. This is what the packaging looks like on each of them. Mind you, I've saved chocolate for last because that's honestly the one that I was least excited for. And I'm gonna give it the hardest shot. I'm gonna put it just in straight water. I've had these in milk, and I will say it's like actually creamy, but I like it a ton. And cafe mocha, I like it a little less than French vanilla. I'd say French vanilla, that's a solid 9 out of 10. Yeah, French vanilla is a solid 9 out of 10. Cafe mocha, I'm gonna say is a little a little less creamy, a little richer. Maybe actually it's a little earthier. It's a little earthier tasting. It's not a bad thing. It's just more of a coffee flavor. That one I really like. I'm gonna give that one like a 7.5 out of 10. Both of those were in just 2 cups of milk. I would really like more of this actually because I do want to just like incorporate it more into my day-to-day. Sorry, I had a moment there. I wanted to peel this off. So we got chocolate here. And we got a nice shaker full of water. We're gonna mix them. So you get 15 grams of protein, 140 milligrams of caffeine. That's awesome. There's nothing else to do but to shake it up. So yeah, if you guys decide to pick this up, remember to use my discount code. This is so use code MIST for 20 to 30% off. Most of the time it's 20, but sometimes they'll bump us up to 30. It's pretty cool. Yeah, check my Discord and stuff. Everything's down below in the links. It smells like cake batter. It smells actually really freaking good. Wait. I'm getting a hint of Play-Doh, or I'm crazy. I'm crazy. And there is a ton of powder compared to a scoop. A scoop is like 7 grams. This is like more like 30. We're still recording. If anything changes, it's because I moved the camera to make sure I'm still recording. Let's put this in here. So unlike normal GFuel, this actually does make like a really nice foam on top. What was that sound? Okay, we're good. Bomb's been defused. So it smells really chocolatey. It smells like a Hershey bar. Yeah, it smells like a Hershey bar. I'm giving it no breaks here. It was better in milk. It's definitely better in milk. I've not done the 50-50 mix like they recommend, but I would recommend going with milk. It does have a little bit of a creaminess, and the chocolate flavor is not bad. It's gonna sound weird, but it's more like a 50% cacao chocolate bar. Very, very little, like the sweetness is not exaggerated. It's just like a naturally sweet tasting. It's not like gross tasting sweetness. I really like this. Oh yes, I really like this. Overall, I'm a big fan. I have already asked GFuel to please send me more because I'd like to drink more of this and I only have a few packets, so please send me more. French vanilla, please. Even in water, I'd rate this about the same as Cafe Mocha, actually. So I really wish I got to try this in milk. I just don't think that far enough ahead. This is going to be probably a 7.5 out of 10, just in water. So I can only imagine, I'd probably like it more than French vanilla. I'm personally going to start drinking these more once I get more. I like the flavor a lot. I like the whole caffeine protein thing. So yeah, guys, that about sums up my thoughts on the new energy protein line from GFuel. I really like it. I think if you're looking for something like a midday snack, something to just steer away from just candy bars and stuff like that, I really recommend it. Like it says, post-workout is more what I'd say, because post-workout, pre-game is what I'd say. Like, for people, like, go to the gym in the morning, come back, drink this, and then like, oh, I'm gonna go play video games. Or go to the gym in the morning, drink it, go to school. That's more along the lines of what I would do personally. I think it fits that role for me. I am really excited for these to launch May 1st. I believe it launches May 1st. If anything changes, it's going to be pinned in the comments. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this review, if you like short reviews like this, or have any feedback for me whatsoever, I'm actually listening. Leave a like or a dislike. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for dealing with my antics in this amazing multi-million-dollar studio that I have. I really do appreciate it. Normal videos are coming soon, hopefully. What do you guys think about this new product? I'm really glad that they brought back French vanilla coffee, French vanilla latte. I'm really glad they brought that back for this. I really think that people, once they try this, are going to freaking love it. Because I didn't really know. I was kind of iffy, but even in water, it's really impressive. I need to end this video now because it looks like I'm probably overheating, right? Camera's probably overheating. So I'm going to end this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again. Yeah, remember to use code MIST. Links are all down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, do funny things, and if you don't have anything to comment down below, I demand it. Comment something, and I want you, if you have nothing to comment, I would like you to comment this phrase exactly. Thank you so much for this video. No, I'm just kidding. Do whatever the fuck you want. I don't care. Have a good day. Very nice. Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching.